32 was a great pressure dart.
Showed a lot of great character there. He's took the darts as well, so he's still not out of this final.
It's Dave to throw first. Game on.
He's certainly going to make Phil work for it a little bit.
Well, the last two legs have gone against the throw.
140.
Dave's played well. He's put up a great fight, and who's to say he's not going to still win? You know, we can't just think that Phil Taylor's going to win. Dave's starting to match him dart for dart now.
100.
You need to win 4 sets, and it's as simple as that, right?
Well, that's it, you know. And as I say, but here comes the power again.
100.
Probably thought he might have slipped there, Keith, you know, just hitting the ton when he had a treble 20 with the first.
Well, he won't be very happy with 100 Phil. And Dave's playing really good darts now. Oh.
85.
Just tried a little bit too hard there and just pulled the dart a fraction.
41.
Phil's gone off the board a bit here, Cliff.
Yeah, that's right. And he'll start thinking to himself, but Dave can hit a big one here now and really put pressure on Phil.
100. Dave, you require 76.
So treble 20, double 8. And this to take the 5th set. So you look for 6 and 16 here, and double 20.
Game shot, the 5th set.
That was a good set for Dave. You know, 2 great legs there to take the set.
And a great comeback by Dave Askew now, 3 sets to 2.
First leg, it's Dave to throw first.
And now we have got a final. We've got a final one here now. Going to give Dave a lot of confidence there. He just tried to keep with Phil there and really start to outscore Phil.
Look at this.
180!
Tremendous stuff.
Oh, that's great darts from both players.
Wow.
140!
They both turned it up.
Yeah, it just seems that both of them are just geared, gone up another gear, and it's tremendous to see.
140!
So Dave now a nice big 100 here, plus, but Phil's levelled him on points, and he needs to try and hit another treble 20.
121!
Well, as pressure packed as this is for Dave, you got to think he's enjoying this.
Playing very well. And really, he's only 3 or 4 legs away from winning. And that's
Dave, you require 60.
Double top to take the leg.
Game shot in the first leg. Dave Askew.
So Dave Askew on a bit of a roll here.
Phil to throw first. Game on.
That brings him back to within 1 leg of tying up the
59.
match. So it has turned around.
Dave's the lad who's confident now. That, you know, he's looking confident and he's playing great.
140.
It's hard to say now, Cliff, who's going to
Well,
win.
yeah. I mean, Phil's just gone incredible stuff, but Dave's matching him dart for dart.
140.
It's also great, not just for the viewers who are watching this final, but all the people here. They're seeing a good final, not the expected 4-0. This is a great game.
I think someone's just pressed Dave's button there, and he's really geared up his darts.
85.
headed toward a deciding set.
Well, Phil's back. Needs at least 6 darts from here, so Dave's going to should have a throw at a double.
81. Dave, you require 81.